guys, I'm here.
Bro!
Hey, don't
Fuck
do
you. Oh my god.
that. I have slime.
Bro! Oh my god. Guys, look at Bro! Bro, stop it! I'm showing a video. Wait! I'm gonna step on you. Oh, bro! You're kinda crazy.
Shut up. We're gonna do a ASMR. Let's do an ASMR.
This is ASMR.
Be quiet. It's ASMR. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Bro.
Be quiet, sister. Wait. Shut up. Shut up. It's an ASMR. Hello, guys. Wait. Let's make ASMR. Hi, guys.
Oh, bro! Hey, bookshot. Bro.
Meow, 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 meow.
Bro, stick to the carpet. Bro.
Meow, 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 meow. Did this dash.
Oh my god. Bro!
How to clean? Oh my god.
Oh.
How to clean? Oh my god.
Hey, I know what to do.
But why are you?
Kakakakay. Bro, I'm finishing the screen.
Wait, I'm gonna take the hair out. Three lines of bacon.
First, I need to clean the back of the screen.
Clean this, clean this. Give it to me.
Kunker. Bro, it's like this. Imagine that was in the ceiling. Look. Imagine this was in the ceiling. Imagine this was in the